Hi guys, in this video I want to talk about a very, very powerful phytonutrient called Apigenin, okay? A lot of people think that vegetables and herbs and plants will just give you more vitamins and minerals, but they give you a lot more. And they're plant-based chemicals in these vegetables that go beyond just vitamins and minerals. They give you other health benefits. I'm just going to talk about this one, okay? Induces autophagy. What is autophagy? Autophagy is your body's ability to clean out old and damaged parts of the cell and recycle them. Also, it cleans out old infected cells, mold, fungus, viruses, bacteria out of the cell. So it's one of the greatest anti-aging processes that we have, and it's stimulated by intermittent fasting, but it's also stimulated by certain phytonutrients. This phytonutrient is a potent drug detoxifier, so it helps you, protects you against the excess accumulation of drugs and chemicals in the body. It also reverses the highest level of drug resistance found when you're treating cancer with a certain type of chemotherapy. The problem is when you start using chemotherapy, a lot of times your cells start resisting it and you need more and more chemotherapy. So if you're consuming vegetables or plants or herbs with this in there, it actually will help you decrease the need for chemotherapy because your cells are more sensitive to it, okay? So you can take less of it. Also, it prevents kidney damage from drugs and medication. So this is the ultimate protection when someone is taking medication. So if you are on medication or you're taking chemo, I would definitely be consuming foods high in this phytonutrient. It also stimulates adult neurogenesis. That's basically the formation of new nerve cells after injury, physical injury or chemical injury from drugs. I mean, this is incredible. It would also help you decrease amyloid plaquing that you see in Alzheimer's, okay? So where do you find this? You could find it in parsley, the cruciferous vegetables, celery, wheatgrass juice powder has it, and chamomile tea, all right? Well, thanks for watching. Hey guys, I just recently did a survey and I found out the #1 thing that you want is to know what to eat, okay? You want examples of meals. So I created a series of recipes that you can get, which basically show you how to combine the foods in the right portions to do ketogenic and intermittent fasting. They're totally free. All you need to do is click the link below and sign up.